Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use trending effects on CapCut PC. So go to effects and you'll be welcomed with this trending sort of section here, and you have a lot of effects that are trending right now on CapCut. And to just test it out, you're just going to select it, for instance, and then add it to your track by pressing the plus button. And as you can see, creates this like beautiful effect. You can adjust it here, the strength, the like rotation, the size, and also the speed. And you can add more effects to it. For instance, you want to add this wide angle one, you can do that. Just add it, and you can even add it on top of the other effect right here. And you can add more and more effect if you like. It's totally up to you. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!